Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduction. My name is Abitivita Ramatan. Ninkrat P number on absent 1. I'm from Junior High School TR Sutomo. I want to do an English uprak until that hungry wolf. On day a wolf was very hungry. It looked for food here and there, but it could get any. At last it found a loaf of bread and a piece of meat in the hole of a tree. The hungry wolf saw that in the hole. It's all the food. It was a woodcutter's lunch. He was on his way back to the tree to have lunch, but saw there was no food in the hole. Instead, a wolf on seeing the woodcutter. The wolf tried to get out of the hole, but its tummy was swollen. The woodcutter tossed the wolf and gave in his bed its